An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Use adjectives to give more information about a person, place, or thing. For instance, in the sentence, "That movie was terrible," terrible is the adjective. It gives more information about the movie. Negative adjectives like terrible add bad feelings about the noun they describe. They express criticism or pessimism regarding that noun. Here are some examples of negative adjectives. You could use negative adjectives to describe people and show negative personality or character traits. You can also use negative adjectives to give information about the qualities of a place. Finally, negative adjectives can also be used to describe things. Adjectives are the perfect tools to add feelings to your writing. Using adjectives makes your work more descriptive and engaging.